Myself Vandana Parak from Durg. I want to change, means I am getting bored with my daily routine. So I want to change my routine, and my mind setup was to try some naturopathy. Then I searched in Google and I found Nimba. Nimba, the surroundings I like very much. So decided to come here. And when I came here, I reached Nimba. I really happy to see the surroundings. Lots of greenery here. And no doubt, Nimba is really nice place. The doctors, nice doctors. Then the super cool staff and the therapies, I really like very much. I today आज मुझे जाना है, but really I miss Nimba.